Hello, families. The third grade team would like to present Carcroft's summer suggestions to support your child going into fourth grade. Your child will bring home a bag filled with books, materials, and resources to work on over the summer. In your child's bag, you will find 3 books for summer reading. Our first book is called George's Marvelous Medicine by Roald Dahl. We've read a few books by this author, and he is known for his unique and funny stories. This book is about a boy named George taking care of his horribly mean grandmother. She needs something stronger than her usual medicine to cure her grouchiness, and George knows just what to put into it. Our next book is Out of My Mind by Sharon Draper. This book is about a girl named Melody who is unable to walk, talk, or write. She's the smartest kid in her whole school, but no one knows it. Melody refuses to be defined by her disability, and she's determined to let everyone know it, somehow. Our last book is called The Magician's Elephant by Kate DiCamillo. We've read and loved every book by Kate DiCamillo so far, and I'm sure this won't disappoint. This book is about a boy named Peter wanting to find answers about his sister. He seeks out a fortune teller, and she directs him to follow an elephant. By following the elephant, it sets off a chain of remarkable events.
In addition to the 3 books being sent home with your child, here are a few other recommended readings that you can find on Sora. Sora is an app that is on ClassLink, which everyone will have their computer, so they can sign on through Sora. One of the books is Everything You Need to Know About Frogs. 6 Dots, A Story of Louis Braille. Virginia Hamilton Zeely, Who is Malala Yousafzai, Stink and the Freaky Frog Freakout, and finally Book, Uncle, and Me. Enjoy reading.
After your child has read the 3 novels that the district is sending home, he or she should complete the book review for each book. That's 3 book reviews in total. We are sending home the book review templates with the books. Remind your child to use all of the writing skills that they learned this year and their very best handwriting. Attached, you can find a link to the reading log that you can print if you need additional copies.
In order for your child to retain their math skills over the summer, they should complete all of the 3rd grade unfinished lessons in Zearn. If your child has finished the 3rd grade lessons, he or she should go into the 4th grade. Another option is Dreambox. This is set to your child's individual learning path. Also in the bag sent home, there is a blue 3rd grade review booklet. All students will receive a blue booklet that reviews all the material we've learned over the year. Be sure to practice and keep those skills fresh. Continue to practice multiplication and division facts. Multiplication facts should be memorized before entering the 4th grade.
Don't forget, Barnes & Noble offers a special program for children in grades 1 through 6. After your child reads any 8 books, he or she can pick out a free one in the store. Visit your local library to sign up for a free children's reading program. Have your child read aloud at home. Have conversations with your child about what they are reading. Finally, summer is the perfect time for practicing cursive. The 3rd grade team wishes you a wonderful summer, full of fun in the sun, with some good books and a few math facts sprinkled in.